Question 52. 20 non-interacting spin half particles are trapped in a three-dimensional simple harmonic oscillator potential of frequency omega. The ground state energy of the system in units of h cross omega is. So we are given a three-dimensional simple harmonic potential. So energy is given by n plus 3 by 2 h cross omega, where n is 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. And n is the summation of nx, ny, and nz. So in case of one dimensional, we know it is only n plus half h cross omega. For two dimensional case, we have to add half again, and for 3D case, we have to add half again. So that's why it is n plus 3 by 2 h cross omega. And since we are dealing with a 3D case, so it is the combination of x, y, and z components of n. So n is nx plus ny plus nz. Now, distribution of particles in an quantum state or energy state is given by 2s plus 1, where s is the spin. So here s is half, therefore number of particles of spin half can be distributed in an energy state or quantum state is 2. Since we are dealing with a 3D simple harmonic potential, therefore we also need to consider the degeneracy Gn, which is given by half n plus 1 times n plus 2. So for ground state, that means when n equals to 0, that means nx plus ny plus nz is equal to 0. So the degeneracy of that ground state G0 is 1, because if we put n equal to 0, we will get G0 is 1. For n equal to 1, G1 is 3. That means the E1 energy level is threefold degenerate. And we have to make sure that nx plus ny plus nz, which is equal to n, should be 1. So therefore, the combination of nx, ny, and nz would be 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, and 0, 1, 0. So that's why it is threefold degenerate energy state, energy level. And we can calculate the energy of each state. So for example, E001 is nothing but 0, because nx is 0, plus 0, ny is 0, plus 1 because nz is 1, plus 3 by 2 h cross omega. That gives us 5 by 2 h cross omega. That is our energy of that energy level 1. Similarly, E100, that means only nx is 1 and ny and nz are 0. So therefore E100 is given by 5 by 2 h cross omega, which is same. Similarly, we can have E010, that is again 5 by 2 h cross omega. So we can see that the energy E1 has 3 quantum states or energy states, and each state has the same energy, which is 5 by 2 h cross omega. So the energy level E1 is threefold degenerate level. For energy level E2, that is n equal to 2, we have G2 equal to 6. That means that energy level is sixfold degenerate energy level. So what are the combination of nx, ny, and nz? Because we have to make sure that nx plus ny plus nz, which is equal to n, should be 2. So we can have combination 110, 101, 011, 002, 020, and 200. So we have 6 energy states or quantum states. And we can find out the energy of each and every state. For example, E110 gives me 1 plus 1 plus 0 because nx 1, ny 1, but nc 0 plus 3 by 2, which is fixed h cross omega, that gives me 7 by 2 h cross omega. Let's see for E101 state. Again, it is 7 by 2 h cross omega. So similarly, we can find out the energy of other energy states and they are same. So E2 energy level has 6 quantum states or energy states. That's why the degeneracy is 6. Now, according to the problem, we are given 20 spin half particles and each state or energy state or quantum state can have 2 particles. Since the particles are having spin half, that means we can say that they are the fermions and fermions obey Pauli's exclusion principle. That means no 2 particles have same quantum numbers n, l, ms. So that means a quantum state which can accommodate 2 particles will have one with spin up and one with spin down. Now for n equal to 0 state, which is the ground state or non-degenerate state, has only one quantum state. It can accommodate 2 particles, one with spin up and one with spin down. So number of particles, 2. One quantum state and 2 particles in that state. Energy, 2 times 3 by 2. Because there are 2 particles, each particle has energy 3 by 2. Therefore, the total energy of 2 particles in that energy level n equal to 0 is 3h cross omega. For n equal to 1, we have threefold degeneracies. 1, 2, 3. Each state can accommodate 2 particles, one with spin up and one with spin down. Therefore, we can have maximum 6 particles. Each particle has energy 5 by 2 h cross omega. Therefore, total energy will be 6 times 5 by 2 h cross omega. That is 15 h cross omega. For n equal to 2, we have 6-fold degeneracy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total 12 particles and the energy of 12 particles is 12 times 7 by 2 because each particle has energy 7 by 2 h cross omega. Therefore, the total energy is 42 h cross omega. So total energy of the system is nothing but the combination of all these 3 energies, which is 42 plus 15 plus 3 h cross omega. That gives us 60 h cross omega. So the ground state energy of the system in units of h cross omega is 60. That is the answer.